32 Barley rise. As you can see behind me, has got a lovely enclosed garden. Got a few steps to come down from the patio. It's easy to maintain this garden as well. The house itself is a semi, parking down the side for 2 cars on the drive, and there's a small front garden area, and inside you've got 2 double bedrooms on the first floor as well as a bathroom, and on the ground floor it's open plan with another toilet on that floor too. So beautiful house, great first time purchase or investment. If you'd like to find out more, watch the video and book a viewing.